So hi friends, let us start the unboxing of my recent order, Nokia 7 Plus, which I have ordered from Amazon.in, and I have ordered this product on 12th of May and paid a price of 25,999 rupees, and because it was assured by Amazon that delivery is going to happen within 3 days, so they stand to their promise, and today delivery has happened at my residence. So though I am very much prepared to do the unboxing, but as per the Amazon policy, they actually open the packet in front of the customer while delivering it, and they show actual the contents of all the product which is there in the box. So as you can see, that box is open, but they have opened at my residence only in front of my family members who received it. So there is nothing to unbox, open the box, sorry. But yes, definitely I feel that some of these smart Indians must have cheated Amazon by taking out the accessory and claiming that it was not there in the box. So they are taking this extra precautionary measure. So let us do the unboxing now. As you can see, the Nokia branding is there on the box. The box is very small, nice, and the details are there on the box, which you can see. It's a Qualcomm Snapdragon processor, 660, 6-inch full HD display, Zeiss optical lens, 12 megapixel, 30 megapixel dual camera, and dual sight mode. I do not know this. Let us explore this. So let's see what is there in the box. So there is nothing in the packet. I think yes, there is an invoice. Let us keep it aside. So here is the box contents. Here is the Nokia device, which I'll show you later. Okay, so they have included a transparent TPU case in the box. That's a good thing. Here nothing else except the SIM ejector tool in the box, which is there. And let us see what is there inside in this box. There must be a charger. So this is the headphone, which looks to me of good quality headset, and I'll give you a review of this once after I'll use it. So let us keep it apart. So here's the charging cable, which is definitely Type C. Yeah, it's a Type C cable. And the power brick. It's a really a big power brick. So let me see what are the ratings. So it says output 5 to 2.5 ampere, 9 volt. So this is actually a Nokia fast charger, as it is mentioned on the box also, and I've read it somewhere while ordering it that this is a fast charger. So some paperwork, some warranty card and stuff like this. Nothing much. Okay, fine. So let us put all these things aside. Now let me unwrap the handset for you. So it's nicely packed actually. Wow. So this handset really look amazing into the hands. As you can see, really nice. So let me give you a quick overview. On the right hand side we have this power button and volume up and down rockers. On the up we have 3.5 mm headphone jack. On the left we have a SIM tray, and yeah, on the bottom there is a speaker vent and the mic, the charging. There is a secondary mic. I think the noise cancellation is going to be good. And the camera, it's a dual camera setup and a fingerprint sensor. So let me check what kind of a SIM tray is there inside. So let me open it for you. And it's a dual SIM device. Okay, so it's a hybrid SIM solution. One SIM, one SD card you can use at same time, or you can use two SIMs also. And the build quality is very good. Believe me, I have used Xiaomi Mi A1 and the quality is really premium. So let me power it up for you. So let me do the first boot of this device, and just to give you, yeah, haptic feedback is there, and it's an Android 1 device. I hope the battery is there. So the setup menu is there. So let me do the setup, and once I'll do the setup, I'll show you the screen and all. So meanwhile, you just have a look at the specification of the device. So this is how the device look, and this is really, the display is really beautiful. It's a full HD display. It's a 6-inch phone, as you can see the quality, and it's really good to see. Very nice display, and touch is very responsive. And now let me show you the fingerprint scanner. How is it working? So it's fast. Now it's very fast. It's very fast, I think. Yeah, it's doing a good job. So I'll give you a complete review of this device. Let me start using it, and I'll tell you it's a worth purchase or not. Till then, bye. Thanks for watching. Have a nice evening.